So this is the architecture and technology stack for this project. This client is for the front end using Angular. This is the source. This is application. We can say the routing first of all is the routings. The routing is login, register, our users, review, etc. And this is the modules. The modules is imported different component, right? And this is the HTML, the root of the application, and this can show the home login, different pages, and this is and each component have their own own functions. For example, this is for user delay. This is find user by the username. And each one, the constructor need a web service, HTTP service. And all these applications implement some functions in the front end to create store. To create store need many data, many variables, something like that, and we can call this service create store. So that's the front end. Oh, and the service is right here. Oh, the models and the service. The models is for the front end to show the data and attributes of different objects. So this is the models and this is the service. The service is to get the post, put, create, get the full RESTful API, right? The post, delete, get, post, put. There are full total services in this front-end application. So this is how it works in front-end. And let's check the Node project. This is the backend. The backend is a Node project using Express. This is the server. The server Express. And I try to use the passport and the session to implement the authentications of the website, but I failed. I tried many times to use the passport to get the user's information, and then we don't need to get our user ID every time, but it fails. So maybe I need to make it better next time. So this is the server, and this is the controllers. The controller, the DAOs, and the models. The models, the users. The users, I used the normalization. This is the type is enumeration, and the form is composition, right? And the follow. Oh, I also implement the follow and followers, but I didn't implement them in the front end because the time is limited and it's kind of it doesn't make too much sense in the front end. But I implement them in the backend. And this is the stores, is the aggregation, the reviews aggregation, and the messages is the composition. And the message is just how the receiver and the sender. It both are the aggregation. And yes, there's the models for the backend, and you could check it out in my GitHub. And this is the DAOs. So that's how it works. Thank you.